we're going to make chicken with green peas, celery and fennel. So to start off, when I prepare my chicken, this is just pieces of chicken that you can buy on a tray. When I prepare it, I make sure I use a separate cutting board, and the reason I do that, we do not want to cross-contaminate our meats with our veggies. I'll put my olive oil in the pot, and what I'm going to do this time is after I put my chicken and cook it on both sides, I'm going to keep the juice to use as gravy for my mashed potatoes. I'm going to put my sliced onions in the oil, and we don't want to brown them too much. We just want it to be like a golden color because we're going to add our chicken here. When we owned our restaurants, the health department required us to take an extensive course for food handling in order to get the food handling certificate. So that's a good thing. When somebody owns a restaurant, they have to go through these courses to protect the public from any ill or illness. I'm going to put my chicken on this golden color onion, and we're going to cook it on both sides. Turn our chicken over. The chicken is nice and brown. I've taken some of the juice to make the gravy for mashed potatoes. I'm going to show you how to clean the fennel. We cut the ends. We cut the other side. We'll wash very well our celery. Sometimes you want to peel off that fiber that comes out of the celery. So to my friends, and the fiber actually is very healthy for you, but you want to take it out. Sometimes this can get stuck in your incinerator. When we're done doing this, we're going to cut them into not such small pieces. This is really an easy recipe, and it really lasts like 10 minutes just to do all this prep work. It does need to be cooked for an hour on slow after that, but to actually put this together is it's quite impressive, this dish. Put my peas in ice water to sort of blanch them, and then I'm going to cover the pot with peas. We like peas, so I put extra peas in here. And then place the fennel on top. I put a cup of boiling water, and I'm going to cover. So I covered the pot, and for 10 minutes I'll boil it on high and cook for another 15 minutes or an hour on medium high. Thank you for joining me.